Welcome to Dream on Wheels. Today, we're taking a closer look at the Bürstner Nexxo Time T690G, a thoughtfully designed motorhome that brings together smart engineering, comfortable living, and real-world usability. In this video, we'll explore everything in detail, from the exterior design and interior layout to the kitchen, sleeping setup, bathroom, and overall travel experience. From the outside, the T690G presents a clean, refined, and aerodynamic profile. As a semi-integrated motorhome, it maintains a lower height compared to fully integrated models, and that makes a noticeable difference when driving. It feels more stable on the road, easier to control, and more efficient over long distances. The overall proportions are very well balanced. At around 7 meters in length, it offers a spacious interior without becoming difficult to maneuver. This is especially important when navigating tighter roads, parking areas, or urban environments. The design itself focuses on simplicity and purpose. You'll notice smooth body lines, well-positioned windows, and a layout that prioritizes functionality over unnecessary styling. At the rear, one of the standout features is the large garage space. This area is easily accessible from both sides and provides ample room for bikes, luggage, or outdoor equipment. It's practical, easy to use, and makes a real difference during travel. Step inside, and the atmosphere immediately changes. The interior feels open, balanced, and carefully designed to maximize every inch of space. At the front, the driver and passenger seats rotate to form part of a spacious lounge area. This creates a natural living environment, not just a temporary seating setup. The seating area is generous and comfortable, offering enough room to relax, dine, or simply unwind after a long day. The central table is positioned perfectly, large enough to be practical, yet compact enough to maintain space around it. Natural light plays a key role here. Large side windows and roof openings allow daylight to flow through the interior, creating a bright and welcoming space. As the lighting shifts in the evening, the interior transforms into a warm and relaxing environment, supported by soft ambient lighting. Everything feels cohesive, comfortable, and easy to live in. Moving into the kitchen, the design continues with a strong focus on usability and efficiency. The L-shaped layout is a smart choice. It creates a natural working space while maintaining flow through the interior. You have a well-positioned cooking area with multiple burners, allowing you to prepare meals comfortably. The sink is integrated seamlessly, often with a cover that doubles as additional workspace when needed. The countertop space is practical, enough for everyday cooking without feeling restricted. Storage is one of the strongest aspects here. Multiple drawers and cabinets provide organized space for utensils, groceries, and essentials. Everything is within reach, reducing unnecessary movement while cooking. A large refrigerator adds to the convenience, allowing you to store fresh food for longer journeys. This is a kitchen designed not just for occasional use, but for real everyday living. At the rear, the sleeping area is designed to offer both comfort and flexibility. The twin bed layout is one of the most practical configurations in this category. Each bed is easily accessible, allowing you to get in and out without disturbing the other person. This simple detail significantly improves everyday comfort. The mattresses provide solid support, ensuring restful sleep after long travel days. If needed, the beds can be converted into a larger sleeping area, creating additional flexibility. Storage is well integrated around the sleeping space, including overhead cabinets and under-bed compartments. This helps keep everything organized without cluttering the living area. The bathroom setup in the T690G is designed with smart space optimization in mind. It features a flexible layout where the sink section can be adjusted to create a more defined shower area. This approach allows the space to serve multiple purposes without increasing its size. You have all the essentials, toilet, sink, and shower, arranged in a way that feels practical and accessible. While compact, the design ensures that daily routines remain comfortable and efficient. Moving into the cockpit, the motorhome delivers a driving experience that feels controlled and refined. Built on a reliable chassis, it offers smooth handling and stability on the road. The driver and passenger seats are ergonomically designed, providing support for longer journeys. The dashboard is clean, functional, and easy to navigate. Controls are placed logically, ensuring that everything is within reach without distraction. In front of the driver, the instrument cluster is clear and easy to read. A central infotainment system provides access to navigation and media features. Large front windows offer excellent visibility, making driving more confident and less stressful. Once parked, the seats rotate seamlessly into the living space, adding versatility. What truly defines the T690G is how naturally it fits into real travel situations. It's not just about features, it's about how those features work together. You have enough space to move comfortably, a layout that simplifies daily routines, and storage that keeps everything organized. It adapts to different travel styles, whether it's short weekend trips or extended journeys. Everything feels intuitive and easy to use. The Bürstner Nexxo Time T690G offers a well-balanced and thoughtfully designed motorhome experience, combining smart layout, comfortable living space, and real-world usability. If you found this tour helpful, consider subscribing to Dream on Wheels for more campervan and motorhome content. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.